Okay, so I'm working on my signal. This thing costs $280, this new thing, because I'm taking out the old one. Look at the mess I made. And look at, I cut up my hand and everything. Lynn gave me something to wipe my blood. See my blood? What a job this was. Now I got the block out. I gotta take the connectors out of that block and attach the new connectors and put it in. These other connectors weren't connected on the old one. I don't know what they're for. What?
You should do a walk with that thing here and
This is our tree in blossom. Doesn't it look beautiful? Okay, the new turn signal is installed successfully. I got my battery disconnected, so I already tested this before. There's this really hard screw right back in here. This is really hard to get at. The easiest one is right up on top. Look, brand new. I'm so proud of myself. Even the cruise control. Yep. When I first started attaching this, the horn sounded. So I'm going to attach the battery now to see if the horn's going to be blaring. Okay, so I did the job, but I've got some leftover parts. Parts I didn't think were necessary. This, I don't know what they call this. This is metal plate. I don't know what it protects. Minus these screws here, minus this useless thing that sat underneath, and I couldn't fit it in again, so. And the old signal switch. So, I did a fine job. And look, I even salvaged these parts. So there it is, all put together. This broke off. Everything works. I haven't tried the cruise control yet, but brand new. As you can see, pretty much looks exactly like it was. Except over here, this part is sticking out. I can't get that to go in, and I can't get a screw in here, down in here. But it's still pretty good.